This is a Barney train kiddie ride. Let's test it out.
Please press the start button. Let's use our imaginations to go
There's
on a
video
train
I think
ride.
there's a video.
All aboard! Hi there, I'm Barney. What's your name? A is for alphabet. Let's see.
This ride is owned by Videotronics, aka Mopatel. I think Simon Christopher's got a ride here as well, can't lie. Bob.
Hi there, I'm Barney. What's your name? Choo-choo. Bye for now. That was so much fun.
And that was the Barney train kiddie ride sited at Kirkgate Market Hall in Bradford.